Now talking a special example, which is opening up after my meditation, connecting to the Lemurian consciousness, which was that intention by Vera Noah, embodied meditation. New reality is opening up. From some reason, telepathy is the way of communication, and as the communication is truly the way of creation in a physical reality, then it is opening up on a high vibration frequency, and it is telepathy. In the groups around me and communities, especially around the relationships, this communication is opening up between sacred partnerships, between the monad, yin and yang monadic souls. These monadic souls can have even upper monad and upper monad until they arrive to the source. So there is infinite way of possibilities of growth even in the source. And people around me now are questioning if they are getting crazy when they can hear and listen thoughts of their of the partner of their heart and soul. And how this works? Well, yes, it is possible. Telepathy is just way of vibration. It was normal even in the Lemurian ancient societies. Now we are vibrating with this collective and community on the level of Lemuria. So we are just vibrating on the subtle levels of energy. That's it. So it's normal, this communication, and I'm explaining them that it is possible to communicate with your soul partners with ease, because you're just talking to yourself. You can talk to yourself through your mind, through writing, through pictures, through everything what you want to, and that partner is just a reflection of yourself. So naturally you are talking to yourself, and that partner can hear it and listen it. That's the highest way of telepathy. But there is opening up also way of telepathy through soul family. That is, you can have a vision, and you can imagine person who is connected to this vision, or just talk to yourself, because even your soul family is prolongation of your heart or your field, or connecting your field together into one circle. And just talking to yourself as this person will be here with you inside the room. It's so easy. So yes, it is possible, and telepathy as a means of communication is possible. This is just a vibration. Singing is just a vibration. Through songs you can create sacred geometry, you can create changes in a quantum field. So yes, it is possible, even through sound and music, to communicate with your soul family and with your soul partner or soul flame.